Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix World of Warcraft game not launching on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply scan and repair the files. So open the Battle.net launcher, then go to the World of Warcraft, then click on this settings icon, and then click on scan and repair. And when you click on scan and repair, a new pop-up will come. So click on begin scan, and after the scan and repair has been done, then you can click on play button and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't help, the next solution is to clear the cache of World of Warcraft game. So in Windows search, type RUN and open the run box, and in the run box type %program data % and then click on OK. Now right click on Blizzard Entertainment folder and then select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve World of Warcraft not launching on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.